Hello there, and welcome to Boardroom. In this tutorial, I'm going to help you get oriented to the home page and talk about some of the key features of the Boardroom app. Before we get started, please notice the support button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. You will see this button fixed on every single page in the app. Here, you can find a link to our FAQs. You'll also find a page tutorial button, which will show a different video depending on which page you're looking at, and a link to submit a support request. We pride ourselves on our customer support here at Boardroom, so send us a note if you need anything at all. Let's continue now with a tour of the home page. You'll notice that we have some basic metrics here on the home page, including a sales channel breakdown. Boardroom is a data analytics and content creation tool, and you can sync multiple Shopify stores into one Boardroom dashboard. So that's why you see this sales channel breakdown widget right here. If I had multiple shops connected, I would see the sales for each of them individually in this box. You will also notice an ad spend widget right here, and that's because you can sync your Facebook and Google Ads accounts into Boardroom as well. Head over to Settings and My Data Sources to sync a new advertising account, and check out our FAQs if you run into any problems with syncing your stores or ad accounts into Boardroom. And then finally, you'll notice that we have a few basic metrics here to the right on the screen as well. Let's talk about some of the options at the top of the page. First, we have the AI Insights feature. If I click this, you'll notice that I get a little chat window here, and this is powered by our integration with OpenAI. Here you can ask the AI to analyze the data from your store over a 1, 3, or 6 month time period. The AI will summarize your data across 5 key metrics and provide you with some actionable recommendations for how you can grow your business. Next, let's take a look at the filters at the top of the screen. First, you'll see a platform filter here. We're building an integration with Amazon in addition to Shopify, so that's why you see that filter right there. We also have a brands filter. If you've connected multiple stores, you can filter down to look at one brand in particular or view all of them at once here on the homepage. And then finally, we have a date filter with some predefined buckets, and you can also select a custom time frame here as well. Over in the Actions dropdown, you'll see quick links where you can create a blog post using AI or a product description, sync a new store, or create a new scheduled report. We'll create additional tutorial videos to cover these specific scenarios elsewhere. Finally, we have some quick links here in the middle of the screen pointing you towards some of our most popular features. The last thing I want to show you in this video is the navigation menu. As I mentioned, Boardroom is a platform for data analytics and content creation. So you'll notice here that we have an AI tools section where you can navigate to some of our AI content creation templates or analyze your data using the AI Insights feature that I mentioned earlier. And here you have the analytics section where you can get key insights about different cuts of your data, including your advertising, inventory, products, and basic KPI tracking. Boardroom also has a CRM tool with a customer list, customer segmentation functionality, and a heat map as well. Lastly, Boardroom has specific pages to track your financial details like sales, expenses, and cost of goods sold. Now, we think Boardroom is pretty intuitive to use, but if you're running into any issues, just head over to a specific page, click the support button, and watch the page tutorial for that page to get a better understanding for how to use it to save time and make better data-driven decisions at your business, which is ultimately the purpose of every single page here in Boardroom. That's it for this first tutorial video. Thanks for watching.